this is Carly here for another blind awareness video where my slogan is "A cane is nothing to be afraid of." So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a burrito. It's an Amy's burrito in the Amazon microwave. So I have the burrito here. Here's the burrito. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the burrito, and I'm just gonna grab my scissors, which are in my drawer where my silverware is. So the way I do this is I put it on the burrito itself, and then I cut it, and I make sure that I just cut enough so I can get it out. There we go. And then I'm gonna put my scissors away. If you ever hand somebody scissors, always hand it to them with the side that's not going to cut yourself. So I'm opening this burrito, and I don't need to know the directions for this because most of these burritos I've had before and I know the directions. I'm going to my trash can right now to throw it away, and then I'm coming back to the microwave. And so with this microwave set up, I'm going to open the microwave okay, and then I'm going to put it in, and my phone fell over. Alright, hopefully you guys can. Okay, so I'm going to tell the A lady I'm going to hit this button right here on the bottom of the microwave, and I'm going to tell her to cook it for, I'm going to try 4 minutes and see what it does. Alexa, set microwave for 4 minutes. And then there she goes. And then whenever it's done, I'm just gonna turn it over. If I need to turn it over, I don't think I need to. I think it'll cook both sides. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to turn it over and cook it on the other side. So I'm sorry, my brain's not working today. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.